Daryl in the dentist chair now. Yeah, that's the guy that walked off from 35 foot up. That was a good video, Daryl.
That was windy up there.
Yeah.
In Turkey, that was.
Was it working? I thought it was in the UK.
Yeah, in Turkey.
What, you've been working away?
Yeah.
All right, okay. Cool.
What did you do?
Doing Freedom Tower in Turkey.
Yeah.
On their new airport.
Right.
One of them's 35 metres up.
Yeah.
He did a vlog on that. It was pretty good.
Yeah?
It was really good.
So I had to go walk to the top and stuck my head off the side of the tower.
It is a good vlog. Did you come in for a tram line? Have you got one now?
That's the top of the UK.
Yeah.
Close to Norway.
How long will you be there for?
About a week. But there's high winds and rain and everything up there.
That's all right then. Plenty more videos. Does everyone know that you wear a hair system that you work with?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just tell everyone, don't you?
Nickname's Wiggy.
Oh, thanks for that. That was a good part of the video then.
So your nickname's what?
Wiggy.
Wiggy.
Second name's Greg, so everyone just calls me Daryl Wig.
Right, hi Daryl, thanks
Hello.
for that. So you're going to try a poly silk perimeter,
Yeah.
which shows this, and then your good lady could either bond all the way over or use a tape around here and then an adhesive on the tape. So it's, so this type of system is quite easy to actually clean up.
Right.
If you use tape around there, then you just peel it off after, and it doesn't affect the
lace.
The lace, and you mentioned just earlier, didn't you, that the lace, the hair was coming through. Generally, Daryl, that's when, if you don't put enough lace release on it, it'll pull the hairs through. So if you just go on the tape attachment here, and you can put ultra hold on that. Remember we spoke when you first went ahead, and I said to you, remember when you said you were trying ultra hold, and I said don't do it because you didn't have that band. Yeah. But you can actually put ultra hold on this band.
Right. Okay. Cool.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. No worries. Perfect.
Right, cool.
Wilder.
Really?
In his whole career.
Yeah.
We're talking about the Wilder Fury fight at the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can see Wilder knocking him out, but then I can see Fury outboxing him.
Outboxing, yeah.
So whoever wins, it's just a mega fight for Joshua.
Yeah.
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 What adhesive are you using?
Ghost Bond XL.
Ghost Bond XL, isn't it?
Yeah. If they're prepared to come to the UK and fight him, so I don't think he'll go to.
Joshua don't need to go states.
No,
does he? He's
no,
got
he
all the
don't need
belts.
to.
Try him now.
Right, so Colin's put in Ghost Bond onto the PU perimeter, and you can see here around Daryl's side perimeter as well. So we're going to leave this bit here free of adhesive and breathable. So you're going to keep us posted how that works, aren't you, Daryl?
Yeah, 100%, mate.
All right, nice one.
I've got like a full maintenance kit at home.
Yeah.
So.
I think I would say like if you budget sort of 2 a year.
Yeah, I think that's
you can't go too wrong.
I think Steve's first one lasted him a year.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
It keeps it simple with the style you've gone though as well.
Yeah.
The forward style. I mean, when we're not brushing it back, it just lasts so much.
Yeah, it does. I'll go to a pub and watch it, to be fair.
Yeah, it's 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. There will be pubs with it on.
Yeah.
So you're not going to get the fight out? It's on BT, isn't it?
I've got rid of Virgin. So
Okay.
all I've got now is normal digital TV, normal TV.
Right.
So, which is going.
Talking about the fight again, everyone.
Fight of the year.
Yeah.
Leaving the French long film.
Yeah.
Super long.
Just trying to bring me back to my youth, aren't you? Human League and all that kind of stuff.
You romantics.
You romantics.
Yeah, man. Just dry it a little bit because it's sitting.
Yeah, that's pretty much all I do with it, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. That's all I do with it.
Yeah.
Looks really good.
Happy with that?
Very happy, mate.
Yeah, okay. So is this your third system?
Third, yeah.
Yeah, it is your third one. So Daryl's done quite a lot of vlogs for us, and they've been popular. Working with his good lady, which is great. So he's just had his third hair system, and he likes that style. Don't you find it easier? Don't you?
Yeah, it's just easy. You know, it's just messy, easy, forward fringe. Yeah, it's absolutely brilliant.
And you said you're going away for
Yeah, going to Winter Wonderland in a couple of weeks.
So,
I'll take some videos up on the rides on the roller coaster.
So we got a few more vlogs, and looking forward to Daryl doing that, because you're in good shape. Daryl's quite active, so the more videos you do as active, mate, that'd be fantastic.
Yeah, no worries, mate. Anything.
Give us a silly spin then.
Give it a spin.
Yeah, get dizzy.
Just really impressed. Absolutely brilliant.
All right.
So,
Colin's just come in. Thank you, Colin.
yeah, thank you very much.
You keep it real in this place.
But yeah, perfect.
Right, have a safe journey back to Devon, mate.
Thank you very much, mate.
But thank you. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.